What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the 10-foot premium 30-pin cable for basically the iPhone 4, iPhone 3GS. I went backwards, I know. Um yeah, this is the infamous 30-pin cable, the one where Apple recently released. If you don't know what a 30-pin cable is, it's this specifically right here. That's where Apple exclusively used this 30-foot premium cable. I know it was unexpected because I think micro USB was coming out and most of the phones use micro USB, but the fact with this one, if you see closely, yeah, it has its own 30 set of 30 pins basically. So this is an iPhone 3GS. If you've seen previous of my videos, I talk about why I still have it, why I still use it, and it is my favorite all-time phone that I want to keep forever. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Uh, well, I know these are always sealed. You know me, when it comes to unboxing these things, I like to keep it as concise as possible. But yeah, if you want to know where I bought this, leave a comment down below. I will let you know, and yeah, we'll go from there. Also, huge thanks to people like sending me their items to unbox just because they like how I don't finish unboxing some of them. So I appreciate that. Like, I'll unbox that Xbox One if you want, but oh well. So yeah, we come here around, and yeah, this is pretty much it. You just get the standard box, and then you get some of this right here, and here we go. So this is basically it. 30 foot, not 30 foot. It's actually 10 foot, but 30 pins. As you can see, there's about 30 pins in here specifically that goes to the iPhone. So you get like about a 10-foot cable, which is good, especially since, in case the battery does not hold a lot, but it does hold a little bit, Or probably, if I don't use it that much, it'll probably last me about like 5 hours. But as far as services, it is disconnected. I do not have service on it, but I mainly use it for watching YouTube videos. But mainly use it for my music, and I also use it for my metronome. Where's my metronome? Oh, there it is. I mainly use it for this when I'm practicing with my band. This helps me a lot. Plus, that's what I think most of my media in here is just so. But that's just an example where I still need it, and it's small and portable. Aside from using my other phone, the 13 Pro Max that I have, this would be my backup. Like, say if I'm running out of juice, which I shouldn't because it's a Pro Max, I should have juice throughout the whole day. But this is a good thing to have just in case I don't have my phone with me, or as a backup. So, what else we got? Oh yeah, so I have all this. Where we got? I got all my music on here. That's Shreddy Krueger. Yeah, and so we got that. So this is basically, you just basically connect it, and it's like a good snug. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I know usually the 30 pins, some people tend to pull it out, and that's what usually happens with this. But yeah, overall it's great. Like I said, it's 10 feet, so it should serve a good purpose. It should last you a long time. Simply just put it in here, and you're set to go as far as charging it. But yeah, guys, this is like a small video. I just wanted to showcase unboxing this 30-pin set. Once again, if you want to know where I got it, simply just leave a comment down below. And yeah, like I said, once it works with the iPhone 4S, iPhone 3GS, and the 3G. I don't know why they put like a little bit of S. They put like a little S compared to the S over here. Oh well. But once again, guys, these are oh yeah, even the iPod Nanos and the iPod Touch. I remember I actually still have that one. It is currently getting fixed. Yeah, once again, guys, these is a 30-pin cables is specifically for Apple, that they made their own charger just to have like that premium feel, and I believe it charges faster as well. But other than that, yeah, guys, this is once again small unboxing video, straight to the point. It's about 5 minutes or so. If you guys want me to unbox more videos, please let me know. I will be doing a lot of random videos unboxing, even like the smallest things, even sodas. I not sodas, but at least yeah, the glass sodas. So, all right, guys. We will talk to you later. Or alligator.